I am Sridevi Peter, interventional cardiologist at UT Health Northeast Tyler, Texas. I'm going to briefly describe a case of 36 years old male with a history of smoking and family history of coronary artery disease presenting with anterior ST elevation MI to remote non-PCI facility and gets transferred to our institution after thrombolytic therapy. He does receive full dose aspirin, Plavix, heparin bolus, and drip, along with nitroglycerin drip. Due to persistent symptoms and ST elevation, he undergoes rescue PCI of the proximal LAD with drug-eluting stents. Our question is, what is the appropriate vascular access strategy to minimize vascular complications? Transfemoral approach is still the most common access site used for cardiac catheterization worldwide. When transfemoral approach is undertaken, important strategy for reducing access site bleeding is to achieve optimal location for the femoral access. The incidence of major femoral bleeding declined significantly from the earliest to contemporary time period in a Mayo Clinic series of 17,000 patients. As noted in this series, adverse outcomes of major femoral bleeding included prolonged hospital stay and increased requirements for blood transfusion. Blood transfusion and major femoral bleeding were both associated with decreased long-term survival, driven by a significant increase in 30-day mortality. This should be a strong clinical driver for further improvements in access strategies for patients undergoing percutaneous interventions. Optimal arterial access by routine real-time ultrasound guidance has the potential of reducing vascular complications and improving outcomes. We routinely use real-time ultrasound guidance for vascular access in our cath lab, in addition to landmark fluoroscopic micropuncture technique. Cytrite 6 by Bar is a portable point-of-care ultrasound used at our institution. But there are various commercially available ultrasound machine options in the market. Using the probe, the common femoral artery bifurcation is identified and imaged in an axial plane along with the separation into superficial femoral and profunda femoral artery. The probe is moved cranial to coral superiorly until the common femoral artery is visualized. Compression is used to differentiate arteries from the femoral veins. During the needle advancement, the anterior wall of the vessel is kept under the central target line. Hence, C is the appropriate answer.